doing this farming of cows and
those diseases like foot and mouth.
Oh, hello guys, my name is Nancy. Welcome to Blessed Sukari Farmers, and on today's video I'm here at this farm where you can see there are cows and pigs. This is what they do, and I have met a lovely businessman who handles this place. So I want to talk to him and get to know a little bit about this business, because I can see they have great cows. The cows are fat and big. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to this channel, Blessed Sukari Farmers. Make sure you hit on that subscription button and then click on that notification bell, and welcome to another video. I hope you get to enjoy it. So first things first, before we get into the farm, we have to make sure that we get disinfected. This helps to prevent the spread of germs and harmful bacteria from one place to another. When visitors step in the farm, the solution cleans their shoes, reducing the risk of carrying diseases that could affect the animal's health. So it's a small action, but it plays a big role in keeping the livestock safe and healthy. So hello guys, I'm here at this farm in Ruai where they do farming. So I want to ask a little bit of questions. I get to know more about what they do here, and I hope you get to enjoy. So hi.
Fine.
What's your name? Okay, thank you so much for welcoming me here.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know a little bit about what you do around here.
Yeah. Thank you, cow. 20 cows, and the 115 pigs.
So, like, when did you start to do this?
About 4 years ago.
So, have you had any difficulties in doing this farming?
It's only this is called the foot and mouth. Just that.
What are the challenges of doing this farming of cows and pigs?
Challenges? It's only those diseases like foot and mouth. In when you go to the cow customers, some delay to pay. Wengi wana delay kulipa, unachelewa kulipa, wengine unaona wanalipa after 2 months. One the challenges, and even make silage ya kupea ng'ombe. Sasa ingine unakuta imetopolewa na panya, mambo kama hizo.
Okay. So apart from the challenges, what are the advantages? Unajua huwezi kufanya biashara without advantages.
Advantage iko kwa maziwa. Kuuza maziwa unasaidika na hiyo nini pia ndama. After 1 year unapata ndama.
Oh wow. Wow.
Na maziwa bei yake iko nini? Iko juu. Kama sasa tunauza 8 per liter. So do you have customers ama nyinyi mna supply specific? Yeah, I have many customers. Even we have many customers.
So
many hata wengine wanakujangia hapa.
So ni kitu yenye everyone knows about this business.
Like it.
So like so mostly you get customers who come for you around here. You don't need to supply.
Yeah, you don't supply more.
Wow. Wow, that is good. So like when did you start this business?
About 4 years ago.
So I can see like you are doing like a farming of cows, and then you have pigs over there. Like could you tell me approximately how much does it cost to take care of all this? Because I can see you are also feeding. There are workers who are working there, and I know there's some like you need money to get to all this. So approximately how much does it cost if a person wants to start this business?
It costs some money. Kama sahi kwanza naanza na kutengeneza silage. Hiyo silage ina cost pesa. Utanunua majani, utanunua molasses ya kuhesabu hiyo ni majani, na pia hii karatasi ya kunini ya kufunga hiyo majani.
Wow. Okay. So as you have told me, nikiosha hapo miguu, you had told me like a few days ago or months ago you had like the diseases, pests and diseases, they really affected your cows and all that. So what can you tell people about that? Because like what are the causes mostly?
Kile naweza ambia watu, ukitembea kwa mboma, mtu mgeni akitembea kwa mboma kutoka nje, unamwekea dawa kwa nini? Kwa mahali, kuna mahali tunaweka dawa ili mtu akinja hapo analinsi miguu, uwezi kujua mtu mahali ametembea kama kuna outbreak ya ugonjwa fulani anaweza kuletea nini.
Yeah. So apart from that, do you do any other business apart from this farming business? Do you do any other business?
Any other business? Ingine tunafanyanga ya samba, kulima mahindi na maharagwe hivi.
Wow. Okay. So maybe what can you tell the youth, especially because nowadays in Kenya we do not have jobs, and maybe someone is looking forward to have such a business. Maybe someone is inspired when he sees this, when they see this, they're inspired to do farming, poultry farming. What can you tell them? Is it something easy or it's difficult?
It's not easy, and it's not difficult, but unajitolea, sio kitu andi sana. Unaweza jitolea, uanze na kitu ndogo, ukiendelea hivi pole pole, na kazi iko, ni watu kukosa kufanya. Kama sasa kuweka ng'ombe moja, hiyo ina produce 10 liters. Hiyo 10 liters, tuduse kwa shilingi 80, naona kuna pesa. Sasa kazi iko, ni watu wafanye kazi.
So maybe if I may ask, I want to know like what has it been like is there a time you got a bit of challenge that you wanted to give up, like what are some of the things you went through? Because I believe after a point, there are points where you feel like giving up. Like what are the challenges, the biggest challenge you have ever occurred in the farming?
Hiyo challenge iko ni kama sahi nimeweka challenge mingi sana.
Wow.
Nimetopolewa na alert mingi sana. Hiyo ni challenge moja. Challenge nyingine nakutanga ng'ombe zimeshikwa na ugonjwa hii inaitwa mastitis. Sasa hii kwa nakamua ng'ombe lita 10 imekata imebaki kama 3 hivi. Challenge nyingine ya kwa hivi. Nyingine unakuta umepea ng'ombe ndume nakataa kushika. Hiyo inakuanga challenge nyingine. Sasa inakuanga hivyo.
But do you have like the things you like the medication you give to the cows, and does it cost you a lot?
I cost more. Kidogo tu unazuia hiyo kitu na kitu kidogo tu. Hiyo lazima ikuje kwa mkulima.
So apart from the challenges, what are the like what is like is there a point where you got so happy because of this business?
Nafurahianga sana hata nikiona hao wanyama hivi nafurahia sana. Hata watu hata kuna watoto hapa nafurahianga kuja kutembea huku sana kuangalia hizo wanyama.
So I believe this has benefited a lot of people, not just you. Because I can see their workers.
Mimi hata watu wengi wanakujanga kuangalia, hata nataka kuangalia ni hata mimi nikaweke kama wewe.
Okay. So in case you want to advertise your business, kindly you can leave your number there, or maybe you have your social media accounts, you can leave it there for people to come and just tell them a little bit about like this farm, what you sell and all that.
Namba yangu ni 0725 160 866 ama 0708 12404.
Okay. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. And I hope next time we'll be able to come with a lot of people. I hope this interview brings you like a lot of businesses. And thank you so much for your time. Maybe if you want to tell people about like anything you would like to tell, it's okay, you can go ahead. Sawa.
Niko sawa na ni asante sana kwa kutembea huku kwetu.
Okay.
From feeding to challenges and even proudest moments of his farming journey, we have learned something new and even gotten inspired to start livestock farming. So if you have noticed, he has bought the napier grass together with the hay grass. For the napier grass, it is rich in nutrients and water content. It helps with milk production in cows and keeps them hydrated. And it also provides energy for growth and strength. And for the hay grass, it is usually stored grass which is fed especially during dry seasons. When fresh grass is scarce, it also helps in balancing the animal's digestion since it's high in fiber and keeps their stomachs healthy. So what farmers do, they mix both so that they can bring up a balanced diet. For the napier grass, for fresh milk and the nutrients, and the dry grass for fiber and stomach health.
So guys, as you can see, these are the feeds of the cows and all that. And you can see right now the cows are just resting. They do not really have a lot to do.
So as you can notice, this is part of the farm waste management system. The pipes help in moving the waste from the pens to the area where it can be saved and treated safely. So managing animal waste properly keeps the pens clean, and it also prevents the bad smell and protects the animals from diseases. In some farms, the waste is later used to make organic manure or even biogas, turning waste into something useful for the farm. So these are pig pens, and in case you're wondering why it's muddy, it's because pigs do not have sweat glands like humans, so they can't cool themselves by sweating. When they roll or stay in mud, it helps them a lot. So the mud lowers their body temperature, and it also protects their skin, and it also acts like a sunscreen to them and an insect repellent, keeping off flies and parasites. So to keep them comfortable, it prevents their skin from drying or cracking. So that is why they usually stay in mud. And notice pigs drinking water directly from the pipes fixed along the walls. These are called automatic drinkers or nipple waters. They are designated to give pigs clean water whenever they need it, without wasting or dirtifying it. This system prevents water spillage and ensures the pigs stay hydrated all day long.
Una pigs nauza aje tuseme sasa kama hii? About 40,000. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this has been a great day. I've just gotten to visit Block 10, and I've gotten to know more about poultry farming, especially about the cows and the pigs. And I hope you got to enjoy this video, and I hope you have gotten to learn a lot about farming and all that. So this was another day and I hope you got to enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and see you on another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.